Okay, and this is the second part, which is the editing part. For the software, we use CapCut, and for the reason of using it is because it's free and has more features comparing to other competitors. That's also free. We did it on the iPad, which I have a video of it right here, but unfortunately, I'm not able to get the exact edit file onto the PC version. So I'll be moving in between these two very quickly to do some explanation. So the first thing that we used is pretty much the timeline, which is pretty much where you place the clips really. You can see it right here, all of them. See it right here as well. And this feature right here where you're able to really zoom in into each individual clip and check frame by frame really help us in making better match on action and allowed us to make a more precise cut. I'm gonna show you right here. This is the final film version without the title, by the way. So for example, if I wanted to cut here, if I maybe want a different frame, I can use my keyboard, or same would be the same thing on the iPad, to pretty much select frames, cut, select another frame, cut, and let's say I don't want this part, I can just delete it, bring that back. Yep, and that's the first feature, and that leads to the second one, which is the cut feature. As you can see on the iPad version, we have every line, the square white lines that you see, well white squares with black lines that you see is pretty much a cut that has been made. Those originally were full clips, so for example, this right here, the numbers going up, let me split right, Control B, split right there, and then there, then there. These right here were originally one clipped. However, we were able to use the split tool to split up the clips and then order it differently. And this allowed us to create a more dramatic effect with play right now. Oh, let me mute it. With us being able to show the hostages, show the main character, elevator going up, and then back to him being in a ready pose, as you can see right here. And the second important feature that we used, don't think you can see it here unfortunately, is artificially increasing the exposure of certain scenes. So this scene right here, where you can see from here to here, as you can see it's very dark in here, since there's only one light source on the filming set, which is this one. And at the filming location, we were only able to increase it by so much. It's not muted, to the point where we were losing frames pretty much. And even if we increase it in the camera, it turns out to still be a bit dark. So if we go to the adjustment right here, custom adjustment, put it right here, extend it, scroll down, as you can see, there's a lightness settings. You can pretty much just increase the exposure in the app. So for example, originally it was like this, and now it's like this. Well, this is not exactly what we wanted, I'm just, showing you. But yeah, we did that with, I think it's only this scene that we did it, because it was the only scene we had lighting problems in. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And the next thing that we used was the audio line right here. Not sure you can't really see it on the PC version, but since the already made version, this one doesn't matter that much. But as you can see in the video, there's a separate line for sound collection. This is where we put the audio of the music in. So the beeping, the intense music in the back. We did it to increase anticipation for the opening. And what else? That's pretty much it for sound. And lastly, as you can see on the earlier part, there's text on the screen. The way we did that is pretty easy. As you can see, text, put it in there. Let's just put my name, and I'm not sure on the PC, but you're able to, maybe it's in effects. Nope. You're able to pretty much animate it like how Pang did here, to smooth, to go out, zoom back in, go back out, fade back in, fade back out. And other than that, we really didn't use that many features, but we mainly use, of course, the split feature to be able to split in the original clip into multiple parts that we needed, the timeline so that we can organize it in the way we want it, in this case chronological order. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.